Hello everyone, welcome to the channel The GSM Solution. Today we are going to show you how you can fix SIM not support or SIM not valid on iPhone. How to find your iPhone is carrier locked. Go to setting, tap on general, tap on about. Here you can see iOS 15.2. Scroll down. Here you can see the carrier locked status is SIM locked. Means this iPhone was locked to some specific carrier. In my cases, this iPhone is locked on a T-Mobile carrier. After inserting the SIM, you have to follow the SIM activation menu. Follow the activation screen. Finally, the message on the screen with SIM not supported. You have to update your iPhone to the latest version. For that process always. Remove the unsupported SIM. Now insert wired SIM. After inserting the SIM, follow the activation screen, but message pop-up SIM not supported means the white SIM also failed to unlock at this time. Here you have to use some small trick for that process. You have to use VPN service to activate. Open the VPN and connect to the other country. You have to update to the latest ICCID. How to update ICCID on World GB or Wired SIM? See video on below description. Now the activation process is complete. Remove the wired SIM and use the desired SIM with any carrier. Now SIM-free iPhone is in your hand. You can see the network appear means now the iPhone is unlocked and SIM-free. Remember, this is not the fully unlocked process that you can say semi-unlock support all carriers. If you have any query about the video, feel free to comment below. We will respond to your comment as fast as possible. If you get even a little bit of value from this, then do like to share this video. Subscribe to support us. Hello everyone, this is Akash from the GSM Solution and peace out till the next time.